What is log shipping in SQL? Log shipping is a high availability and disaster recovery solution in Microsoft SQL Server. It involves copying and automatically restoring transaction log backups from a primary database to one or more secondary databases on separate servers. This process helps maintain a standby database that can be quickly brought online if the primary database becomes unavailable due to hardware failure, corruption, or other issues. Here's how log shipping works. Primary database, source. This is the main database that generates transaction log backups. It's the database that users interact with and make changes to. Secondary databases, destination. These are one or more standby databases that are kept synchronized with the primary database. They are not directly accessible to users but are used for failover and disaster recovery purposes. The log shipping process involves the following steps. Backup. Regular transaction log backups are taken from the primary database. These backups capture all the changes made to the database since the last backup. Copy. The transaction log backups are copied to the secondary servers. This copy can be done using shared folders, network shares, or other methods. Restore. On the secondary servers, the copied transaction log backups are restored in sequence. This process brings the secondary databases up to date with the changes made on the primary database. Monitoring. The process of backing up, copying, and restoring log backups is monitored to ensure it's running smoothly. Any issues or delays are addressed promptly. Log shipping provides benefits such as high availability. In case of primary database failure, one of the secondary databases can be brought online quickly to minimize downtime. Disaster recovery. Log shipping provides a standby database that can be used to recover from disasters or data corruption. Data distribution. Secondary databases can be used for reporting or read-only purposes, offloading traffic from the primary database. Cost savings. It's a relatively simple and cost-effective disaster recovery solution compared to other methods. However, log shipping also has limitations and considerations. Data loss. Log shipping works by shipping transaction log backups at specific intervals. In case of a failure, you might lose data changes made after the last backup. Manual failover. Failover to a secondary database is not automatic. It requires manual intervention to bring the secondary database online. Readable secondary. Log shipping secondary databases are typically in a restoring state, so read-only access might not be immediately available. Complexity. Setting up and maintaining log shipping requires careful planning and monitoring to ensure synchronization and availability. In recent years, Microsoft has introduced other more advanced high availability and disaster recovery solutions for SQL Server, such as always-on availability groups, which provide more flexibility and automation. However, log shipping remains a viable option for scenarios where these more advanced features might not be needed or feasible.